You've got a spare $5. Maybe it's the change from your coffee, maybe it's that loose bill you found in your jeans. Now, what if that $5 and all those other little bits of spare change could actually grow into something substantial? That's the promise of Raiz. But the real question is, does it deliver? Is Raiz actually a good savings account, or just another app promising the moon? We've all seen the ads, the sleek interface, the promise of effortless investing. But let's cut through the marketing fluff and get down to brass tacks. We're going to dissect Raiz, looking at its strengths, its weaknesses, and whether it's the right fit for your financial goals. First, let's understand what Raiz is. At its core, it's a micro-investing platform. It rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change into a diversified portfolio of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Think of it as a super easy way to dip your toes into the investment world without needing a ton of capital or financial expertise. One of Raiz's biggest draws is its accessibility. It's designed for beginners. The interface is clean, intuitive, and you can get started with just a few dollars. The roundup feature is brilliant for those who struggle to save consistently. It's a passive, almost subconscious way to build your investment pot. This is especially appealing to younger generations or anyone who finds traditional investing intimidating. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One crucial factor to consider is fees. Raiz charges a monthly fee, which can eat into your returns, especially if you have a smaller balance. This is a critical point. If you're only investing small amounts, those fees can take a significant chunk of your potential growth. So, do the math. Is the convenience worth the cost? Then there's the investment aspect itself. While Raiz offers diversified portfolios, it's important to remember that these are still investments, and investments carry risk. The market can fluctuate, and you could see your balance go down as well as up. Raiz offers different portfolio options, from conservative to aggressive, allowing you to tailor your risk level. But, even with a conservative portfolio, there's no guarantee of returns. Another point to consider is the limited control you have over your investments. You're essentially handing over the reins to Raiz algorithms. While this is great for beginners, it might not suit those who want more active control over their portfolio. If you're someone who enjoys researching stocks and picking your own investments, Raiz might feel a bit restrictive. Now, let's talk about the savings account aspect. Is it truly a savings account? Well, not in the traditional sense. It's more of an investment account that encourages savings through its roundup feature. It's not FDIC insured like a traditional savings account, meaning your money isn't protected in the same way. This is a crucial distinction. So, is Raiz a good option? It depends entirely on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're looking for an easy, low-barrier way to start investing small amounts, and you're comfortable with the fees and the inherent risks, then Raiz could be a valuable tool. It's perfect for those who struggle with traditional savings methods and want to automate their investments. However, if you're looking for a high-yield, low-risk savings account, or if you want more control over your investments, Raiz might not be the best fit. You might be better off exploring other options, such as high-yield savings accounts or brokerage platforms that offer more control and lower fees. Ultimately, whether Raiz is a good savings account is a matter of perspective. It's a convenient and accessible way to start investing, but it's not without its drawbacks. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, consider your financial goals, and decide if it aligns with your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.